If you want to get rid of zoom on your iPhone, it's pretty simple. Zoom is a feature that makes things on your screen bigger, but sometimes it can be annoying. So here's how to turn it off. Number one, open your settings. Find the app that looks like gears. This is the settings app. Number two, tap on accessibility. Scroll down until you see accessibility. Tap on it to open more options. Number three, select zoom. Look for the option that says zoom. It's usually near the top. Number four, turn off the zoom. You'll see a switch at the top of the screen. If it's green, that means the zoom is on. Tap the switch to turn it gray. This means zoom is now off. Number five, exit the settings. Press the home button or swipe up to return to your home screen. Now everything should look normal again. And if you ever want to use zoom again, just follow the same steps and turn it back on. It's that easy. And remember, you can always ask an adult for help if you need it. If you're not an adult, then leave me a comment. Let me know if this helped. All right, see you later.